Will Texas fathers soon pay back child support going all the way back to the date of conception? That's the topic of today's video. Hi, I'm Sean Palmer, and I've been practicing family law for over 20 years in the great state of Texas. Today, I want to talk to you about a controversial bill currently moving through the Texas House, House Bill 1980. If passed, this bill would allow courts to order retroactive child support starting from the date of conception, not from the child's birth and not from the date a lawsuit is filed. In other words, if you're named as a father in a paternity case, you could be held financially responsible for the entire pregnancy period, even if you didn't know the child existed until much later. Does this sound extreme? Well, that's exactly why this bill is grabbing headlines and raising eyebrows. Supporters of the bill say it's about fairness. Mothers often bear the full burden of pregnancy, physically, emotionally, and financially. Medical bills, lost wages, prenatal care, it adds up fast. And advocates argued that it's only right for parents to share those costs starting from day one. But critics warn this could open a legal can of worms. How do you accurately determine the exact date of conception, for example? What if the father had no knowledge of the pregnancy? What happens when disputes erupt over medical expenses, paternity, and timeliness? This could make an already difficult family law case even more contentious and create new legal hurdles for both parents. It's also important to understand that Texas wouldn't be the first to go down this path. States like Georgia, Kentucky, and Utah have passed similar proposed laws, but those laws remain the exception and not the rule across the country. House Bill 1980 represents a major shift in how Texas defines and enforces child support. And if it passes, it will have a real consequence for real families, and the stakes will be high. So what are your thoughts? Do you think this bill is long overdue? Is it a correction? Or is it a recipe for chaos? Leave your comments below. One thing is certain, if you're involved in a pregnancy-related child support or paternity matter, you need experienced legal guidance. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to follow us for more updates on Texas family law. And remember, at the Palmer Law Firm, we can't protect your heart, but we can protect your rights.